Turn around.
Oh, God.
Tree down!
This isn't gonna work, Remy. You can't do that.
I had to do this with my freaking green truck already, and it was not easy.
Just don't go back too far. There's a bank.
Tell me when to stop.
Yep, Brenda came with.
I would
There's a
stop
disaster.
there.
Hey, shut your mouth. It's going to take me a while.
It's going to be a 20-minute turnaround.
Brenda,
Oh, I can't put the window down.
call
No.
the township and tell her there's a tree down here. That's a big one, too.
Mm-hmm.
What is this, Nectarine Road?
No, this isn't Nectarine. This is Apricot.
We'll tell it Apricot Road. Our people are going to keep